Hey guys, my name is Terence,
And I'm Deb.
and we're looking forward to see all of you at Revel Conference. We're going to run 2 workshops. The first workshop is titled How Do We See the Poor? Now, do we unconsciously stereotype the poor? Do our fixed perceptions of the poor hinder us from helping? And have you actually wondered whether the poor would like to be called poor? Right? So join us on this first workshop to understand the poor better.
And the second workshop will be super practical, where some of you have a deep calling for missions and you want to do something more in terms of community development and making a difference. In this workshop, we will teach you how to design programs that will really transform communities from the inside out. You may have questions on how do you get started, or how do you begin to engage with communities, and how do you see change over time. And we are going to be sharing not just models but also from personal experience on how you can really design holistic and transformative programs that are spirit-led, data-driven, and also committed to the Great Commission, which is the most important. We look forward to seeing you at Revel
Conference.
Conference.
Bye.
See you guys.